So chef is going to cook me a lamb chop tower.
Lamb chop tower.
Just chopping some peppers up here. The lamb chops have already been cooked. Did a little video clip before of that. There we go, pre-cooked lamb chops, cooked about 10 minutes ago. And over in the pan, bit of oil, 3 to 4 tablespoons, some fresh garlic,
I'm just going to add the onion peppers with it.
Yep.
Automatically the garlic's going to go brown while it's on top of the fire anyway.
Yep.
So at the same time, the onions are getting simmered and getting done at the same time as well.
Yep. Look at that.
So there you go, it's getting brown.
Great.
Done.
I hope the sound's okay on this video. We've got the quite a lot of noise, of course, in a busy kitchen. So chef's putting in some salt and kasuri methi.
I'm just going to add a bit of base because the raw onions are raw, fresh.
Yeah.
So I can simmer the onions, make it a bit soft.
I see. It's helping steam them, isn't it? You're frying them as well. You've got that.
I'm frying them.
Yep.
At the same time, I'm steaming them up.
Yep.
So as you can see, I've not put X amount of basting to spoil the flavour and the taste.
Sure.
Just X amount, like you said, steamed onions.
Yep. So it's a dry dish, of course.
Exactly.
Yep.
So mixed powder.
Yep. So chef puts in some mixed powder.
Such as chili to give that little kick to it.
Yep.
Because it's a bit sweet and hotness.
Right. So not much, maybe 3/4 of a teaspoon or so. Yep.
Tomato puree.
And the tomato puree. Use white tower tomato puree.
One of the best tomato purees that you can use.
Yeah.
There's no point cutting corners a few pounds. Use the best stuff, you get the best quality of your
I
cooking.
agree with that completely. And you actually pre-cook that with a bit of oil, mixed powder, and
Tomato puree,
bit of water, bit of salt. Yep.
And then that's where the lamb chop goes in.
Okay. Lovely looking lamb chops.
Now I'm going to put the heat down so it doesn't burn it.
Yep.
Well, whilst that's done, I'm going to add a few of the sauces to it.
Okay, we've got some chef special sauces, as you might read them on the menu.
Yeah, that's the Maggi sweet chili sauce.
So yeah, it's very simple really. Maggi
Yeah.
sweet chili sauce.
And the garlic sauce.
Sorry, Maggi chili sauce,
Yeah.
not the Thai one. And then the sweet chili sauce.
Sriracha garlic sauce.
Sriracha
Garlic sauce.
garlic sauce. Right.
Not a lot of people use them sauces. All it is, it gives a lot of texture, a lot of flavour to it. You got the sweetness, the tanginess, the hotness.
Yep.
And the flavour, once you put it in your mouth, you probably taste it the next morning.
Yeah.
That's how nice it is.
That's a sign of a good dish. Fresh coriander. So just to recap, you put some Maggi chili sauce, some
And sriracha garlic sauce.
sriracha garlic sauce. Right.
So once that's done, everything, I'm going to add a bit of salt base to it.
Yep. Okay.
You could use it, you could have it dry.
Yep.
You could have it dry, but the lamb chop tower is a curry.
Yep.
So it goes a bit of sauce to it. But you could have it dry as well as a starter if you
Yep.
want as well.
I see.
So,
So if you look at, if you notice the caramelisation at the bottom of the pan, that's lovely flavour going in. And that looks amazing. Oops, sorry.
there you go. And voila.
Doesn't that look good, eh? We'll plate it up shortly. Right, let's give this a taste. I'm going to taste the sauce first. Doesn't that look good? Mmm. It's delicious. Ah, nice touch, chef. Nice touch, chef. Thank you.
There you go.
Nothing but the best here. Look at this. Wow. Right, I'm going to bite into this and give you my verdict. Oh yeah. My God, that's my new favourite.
I'm glad you enjoyed it.
That's lamb chops tower.
Power, yeah.
Tower at the Bhaji Fresh takeaway in Warrington on Knutsford Rd. I thoroughly recommend this place. Beautiful. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.